Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer feedback with Typeform, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account, create one at typeform.com. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start a new form. Select the type of form you want to create, such as a feedback form. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your needs. Add a title that clearly indicates the purpose of your feedback form. Incorporate questions that cover various aspects of customer experience. Use a mix of multiple choice, rating, and open-ended questions to gather diverse insights. Customize the design to match your brand by selecting colors, fonts, and images. Preview your form to ensure it looks and functions as intended. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your form live. Share the form link with your customers through email, social media, or your website. Monitor responses in real time by navigating to the Responses tab in your Typeform dashboard. Analyze the data gathered from customer feedback to identify trends and insights. Utilize Typeform's integrations, like Google Sheets or Zapier, to automate your feedback process. Respond to customer feedback promptly to show that their opinions are valued. Use the insights gained to make data-driven decisions and improve your offerings. Regularly update your feedback form to keep it relevant and aligned with your business goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.